My name is Emily Jo, and this is my 15-112 term project off the page. This program allows you to scan in a drawing of your choice, provided it has a leg, and animate it yourself. You can even interact with your own character later on. So the first step would be to scan your drawing, as mentioned here, but even if you forgot and you pressed animate, you would be reminded that you do not have a drawing yet. When you press the scan drawing button, you'll be presented with some instructions. This tells you how to draw your character, because there are some rules. For example, it must face the right and have one leg, but even if you are confused, there is an example on the left to show you what to do. As for the scanning process, you are shown three main key presses that you need to know. S is to scan the drawing, E is to enable edge detection, Enter is to accept it. Even if you mess up, you can press Escape and close the camera. So now I'll scan one of my own drawings. This is the window for your camera feed. So this is my character. All I have to do is place it in the center of the screen, press S, then E, and Enter. Now I can click the Animate button and be given this menu of options. As stated in the instructions here, you have to first set up your coordinates. But even if you forget, you can click this and you will be told that you have not set up your coordinates yet. Here you can see that some other things were scanned in along with my character, but this is not a problem. This will be taken care of later. So the first thing you need to do is mark out a box around your entire character. So you would click the top left of your character, then the bottom right. Here I have a box marked out to show you exactly what you have clicked. If you have made a mistake, you can press undo to erase one coordinate or both. If you do like your coordinates, press enter to accept them. Next, you will also draw another box, but this time around the leg. So in my case, it would be here. Once again, pressing enter, I will accept the bounds. Now I will have to mark out the leg width. This time this is not a box, this is just a line, so you would click the left side of the leg and then the right side of the leg. And lastly, for the body, you would also press the left side and the rightmost side. Now you are told that your coordinates have been stored and you can return to the menu. Now you can click whatever you want here. For example, if I wanted to make my character walk, dance, or bob, I would be given a GIF at the end in my working directory. So first I will choose to make my character walk. Here I am told that a file called walkinganimation.gif has been created and is now my working directory. There's also a preview here of what that GIF looks like. So if I move over to my working directory, I can see that the file is now here. This is the same for making the character dance and making the character bob. There will always be a preview and the file will be in your working directory. Now this button here allows you to interact with your character using the actions above. So if you want to interact with your character, you would see that it is by default continuously walking and will turn around once it hits the end of the screen. So you can even control its movement by pressing the left arrow, the right arrow, and you can make it jump regardless of which direction it's facing. You can make it sit, which in my case is removing the legs. And as shown before, you can make your character dance and even bob. So with these features, you can play with your own character that used to be stationary on a piece of paper. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.